Sorry.
Now watch this, watch, do that again.
We got a high-tech printer right here.
Go.
This is, here we show them the printer,
Show the printer.
We got a high-tech printer right here. It works very functional. Got high stats right here. It's got some turbo printing ability. And it's brand new, but we couldn't hook it up to our outlets, so we kind of have to destroy it. But Easton's selling it, we gotta take it out to Barker. So.
And what are you gonna do today?
I'm gonna hit it.
Yay!
With my bike. With my bike. Alright, do it. Don't break it again.
Again. No, oh my god!
Idiot.
God.
I'm gonna break my bike before he breaks the printer.
Can you take this?
Oh my god, that's our table boards. Those go into our table. Yes. Oh man, that's from the printer already.
Cody, if we keep doing this, we're gonna get deported.
Damn it, Canon.
If we keep doing this shit, we're gonna get deported.
We might.
Oh my god.
And I got a message. I got probably a message from Canon saying to stop destroying my printer.
Probably.
Stop destroying the printer.
Whose is it?
Well, it was ours, and now it's Brendan's. Merry Christmas. There we go. Perfect. Probably could. Oh, hey, I never did. Here, hold that.
Oh my god, it's all because of this stupid GoPro.
Most likely. Oh my god, I don't even want to get it out. It's scary. It's just
Hold on. Is it the edge?
What? Near the park. Alright, make sure you get this wall. Okay, we're gonna jump this thing. Are we?
Fucking idiot.
Don't break my bike. Yeah. Well, it's moderately dirty now, but
That's how you pick up printers out. So I see that board there. You see this board? That's one on the printer.
oh yeah, hit it with the. You gotta punish it. Oh my god! Go get it! This is what you get, Ken.
Alright, Mr. Printer. We're gonna play our game.
Do you want one on the other side? Do you want one on... Yeah, don't do what I did and faceplant. This is stupid. Are you sure?
I like how there's two different things going on around here. It's really cool. Go.
We're gonna get out of the way.
Remember OSHA. Now, discard that. Go.
I remember OSHA. Oh my god, it worked.
Whoa there, Tiger. We want to keep it in one piece for a while yet. Here, wait.
Did you catch that?
I wonder if we can scan this.
I don't think. Wait. We have to be able to. We have to be able to clean up the mess.
Yeah.
Do we have anything to put on top of? Stop! Guys, we gotta be able to clean up the mess. There's gonna be a lot of individual pieces. We're gonna get in trouble.
I bet. Well, let's try to put it back together, maybe.
Well, Mr. Printer, it's your fault. Now.
Just stop opening the grass. Just let it be. Now, guys, listen. You wonder at this point if we get in trouble for this or where we're parking.
Nah.
That's a no outlet zone.
Is it?
It's up to them.
I guess.
What is this still doing here?
It's illegal to be on the street. This poor printer. Oh wow. Just gotta. There we go. Wait, hold on. We gotta get the rest of it, I guess. It's not going down. Should we?
Oh my god, if this goes into beach and like there's people that are driving through, you guys are fucked. I'm gonna beep it out again.
Oh my god. This is. Oh. Ah, he's shot. Aaron, get out of their yard. That's their yard.
Yeah, they're gonna worry about.
He keeps trespassing.
He's not doing any damage.
We're
They're gonna worry about that over this.
Probably.
Right. What is this still doing here?
You're coming up this thing now.
Huh?
You're coming up here now.
Oh yes. Hold on. This is in the way. It's not anymore.
Alright, Mr. Parks, your turn to pull in here.
Yes. Oh man. I did.
Wait. Oh no, Aaron has the bat. How did he get the bat? Ah! Oh my god!
It's scary.
Come here, you little shit.
Stop it. It's trying to print.
Here's a nice ramp.
We gotta add computer noises in there. Ah! Get it off! Wait, we don't want to destroy that.
Here, Brendan, go. Oh. Uses the freaking bat to move it. Idiot. Man versus legend.
Alright, here, let it go. Let it go. Stop, stop hitting it.
My face is here.
Next, we see if it prints a brick. Oh my gosh, it landed.
How much did you spend on this thing?
I don't know. Here. Next, I'm gonna jump it. Ready? Here, get me. Yes. Also, I caught him. I caught him. I caught the beak. Stop it. Stop. 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 We gotta take the grass out.
Aaron, remember, we only do this. We don't do this. We don't do it to any people, right? We gotta teach them young. Right? He'll be back.
All right. Obviously that we gotta try something else. It's so bad.
What if a car has to get through?
Yeah, I got this.
Cody, will you get evicted?
He can catch. What?
Cody, will you get evicted?
Oh my god, no. I don't
Or
think.
at least you hope
Cody,
not.
here's how you do it.
We might have to we might have to move it over just. Oh my god. We might have to move this over just a little bit. It's tough work.
Yeah, so are you.
Oh my god. We left half of it over here. Here, wait, let's make it look. Oh my god.
Hello?
Yeah, hey Geek Squad,
What's up, guys?
I kind of have a problem. I have a printer here. It's kind of broken a little bit. I've been trying to copy my brick, and I've been trying to build a house and trying to use my copy machine. Okay, I know it's kind of late, but I'm having a little...
Let's speak words. Let's speak words. Let's not mumble or hesitate or anything that you are doing currently.
I'd like you to come over as soon as possible, and I don't know. I just tried copying this brick, and what?
Sir, I can see you walking on your printer. You are walking on your printer, sir. What seems to be the problem?
You see him in the background.
What's wrong with the printer, asshole?
I kind of tried copying a brick, and now I can't get it to work. So you're gonna have to come over here and help
Stupid
me.
ass.
It's kind of in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 19 pieces, and we kind of need help fixing it. So.
What's your address, sir? So what's your goddamn address?
108. You're right there. Just come over here.
Alright, I'll be over in a couple minutes.
Okay. All right. Fine.
Alright, later. I can already see the problem, sir.
Yeah. It's right there, and
Where is it?
if you look inside, it's a little bit there too.
Don't touch. I'm gonna knock this shit out of you.
That's the problem.
I'm gonna knock the goddamn shit out of you.
That's the problem.
Cody.
So if,
You think I can fix this?
don't you
You
like
think I can fix this?
coding? Like, don't you know how to like cut the red wire and like do whatever you do?
Mm-hmm.
I mean, I'm not the expert. here,
Don't
but
fucking touch it. Listen, I'm the expert here. You call me over. Where's the other
we
pieces?
probably have
Where's
to
the other pieces?
remove the brick. Probably.
All right, give me the other. Give me the other piece. Hold on a second. You stupid ass. Not on the fucking printer. I'm fucking fixing it. Now what we're gonna do with this is we're gonna put it in the trash, all right?
All right, you're gonna fix this printer now?
Go.
Oh, you're trying to fix it, sir.
He's got a scooter.
Trying to
He's
fix
got a
it.
scooter.
Sir, he's fixing it for you. He found out how to fix it.
Oh my god, they're coming back. So your neighbors are coming back.
Are they?
And they're gonna see this.
Sir,
What did I tell you about trying to fix it? Well, now you broke my tape too. Got me mad.
Here, let's get. Oh, my bad. That one has a hole in it.
I'm pretty sure you're supposed to put the thing in the trash can, not hit it with it.
Oh,
Oh my god, idiot! You better get it all in there.
we gotta get this part off. Just keep taping.
What? Oh, there's a hole. There's a hole in the top. That's
Right there. Here's some right there.
Pick it up with your hand.
God damn it. It was a good point at one point in time.
What are you trying? Dude, I'm trying to throw it away, not eat it. That's my number. Call me.
Ow! Stupid. That was a spring. Now we gotta mix the soup.
Hold on. Here, grab it again. See, me running away. God, put it into the yard.
Now we gotta
All
take
clean. All clean.
We gotta take out the trash.
You want some moonshine? Drink it.
I think we did a good day's work.
I don't know what's in the trash can there.
It's nice doing business.
Sir, what's in the trash can?
You don't want to know.
Sir, what's in the trash can? Get off the trash can, sir.
It's worse than a dead
Sir,
body.
you're underwater. Hold my water. All right, let's go. Next person.
What?
God. Wait, do it again. Wait a minute. Wait. Oh my God, I didn't think you could do it. Okay. What's he about to do? I think the first one was adrenaline, boys. Oh my God. Oh my God! How is he doing that? How is he doing that?
I don't want to stop.
That had to be like over 100 and it had to be like 200 pounds right there. How much do you weigh?
Only like 130.
130 plus probably like, I'd say 35, 40. What's wrong with you?
I don't know. That's not even, that's like 15 or 10. That's not too bad.
You started falling backwards.
I thought I was gonna die.